late afternoon is here as we're almost getting close to the early evening hours to begin the last weekend of March. March 29th, 2025. CN Hayes here. 1704. Coming to you from West Ladysmith again. Lonely Canadian Nationals Bear and Submain at milepost 128.8 with the next video lined up for you. Going to have the rollout of the northbound sand loads of today's S775. 81 of the 29th has just made its return after building up their train at Source Energy Services of Warehouser since departing West Ladysmith since about 14:15. And now they've released authority on the Bear and Submain from milepost 126 to milepost 110. I'm really looking forward to this. So on that power move departure, we had the 5426 lead that. So I got a feeling she might have saw its final day on the 519 yesterday. And I'm pretty sure that was the unit that ran solo. And 5466, I am assuming I saw its last day. Sign for it on Thursday, because I'm sure they're both past due for inspections. I'm not sure of what other units are going to be assigned for it to begin the final day of March going into April. But I'm sure we'll find out soon enough. Other than that, let's hang tight for the next few moments and await the rollout of the S775. Stay tuned. Alright, a few minutes later, S775 has showed up. 3031 is going to lead it for the northbound trip. And I'm assuming that the new SD75 IACC rebuild of the 8307 will be placed either as in the second slot or as rear GPU. We're going to check them out now. So here's the 3031. No, excuse me, 3039. USD60 of 5426 in tow. As once again, yesterday saw its final day assigned as the 519. And the new 8307 SD75 IACC rebuild was previously SD75 I5742. So let's once again check them out on the rollout as it will head bound for East Edmonton, Alberta, Canada via CPKC as we'll lean back and get him. Here we go. I have a feeling that the dynamics have started to hell from the 5426. Since those locomotives are running 2x1 today, as it will tow the 102 sand loads, total axle count for this will be 426. I hear the rear DPU now of the new CN8307, the S775 IACC rebuild. So I'll get ready to open up the throttle to help shove up the hill from the North Y. And I hear it right now. And CYX 807 940 to bring up the last of it. And rear GPU lights are on. CN 3039 North entering Superior Sub-Main North Ladysmith. No restrictions. Let's hear the new 8307 open up the throttle. How about that? And that's going to do it for today's S775, 81 of the 29th, and we'll do it for the ET44AC of the 3039, SD60 of the 5426, and the rear GPU of the Progress Rail EMD rebuild ST75 IACC of the new CN8307. That was previously ST75 I5742. And we'll do it for this video at West Ladysmith near Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Have a great weekend. Enjoy the rest of this evening. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.